Yes, I know it's dark. It's about 5:50 in the morning. I am at work, so I am getting ready to get actually into the office. Just a small little rant before we look at the charts and see what's happened yesterday. Some guy came into the Discord. It's not my Discord, it's somebody else's Discord. But basically, we all just trade simple trend lines, and it's the beauty of that Discord. It's the beauty of that strategy. It's very, very simple. But he came in just promoting off the rooftops about how Elliott waves are the way to go, and if you master them, you need to master them in order to be successful. And there's just a bunch of stuff that came out. And look, the sooner you realize in this field, everything works. Everything. But not everything works for every trader. If you want to do a coin flip and get in on that, you could, and you could make it work. Might not be the best way to go, but guess what? You could definitely make it work. If you wanted to get in, there's really no limits to the imagination of reasons to get into the market and to make it work and successful. The quicker you can find what works for you and the less effort you spend on trying to figure everything out or trying to find the one thing that's going to make everything just that much sweeter. It's like, no, it doesn't matter. Learning a concept like Elliott wave, and then I don't even know. And the top of the matter was, like, he wasn't even using Elliott wave by its conception correctly. It was like, what? Okay, let's go ahead and dig into the charts. I got into this trade yesterday, and I drew some arrows on the charts. What time was this? This was 5. So I got in at the 5 o'clock candle. Technically, I got in around 6. Spreads weren't that bad, and I'm like, you know what? Let's go ahead and do this. And so I got into SPX 500, and I think 2 others that had already closed out and whatever they did. Like SPX 500 closed out in profit the previous trade. This looks like it's gonna go ahead and lose out. I mean, unless it turns around now. So I have no idea. We'll see. So SPX 500 got into this trade last night, right after 5 o'clock. DE30 is still steadily working its way up. Maybe this will close out today. Then we can get into another trade. JP225. Okay, there's another one that got into the trade that ended up not working out. The thing is, like, okay, yeah, and you look at it and go, yeah, but you should have gotten it. And it's like, no, I wouldn't have. That candle that it actually closed with for the 5 o'clock where the arrow is pointing is an indecision for me. And so if you've tracked any of the trades that we've had for the past, 15, 18 days of doing this, then you'd realize I wouldn't have taken that trade. I would have taken the next trade, 100% for sure, if that wasn't 1 o'clock in the morning and I wouldn't be sleeping. And so that would have won. But you can't just look back and go, yeah, I would have taken that next trade and I would have won. You have to be honest whenever you're testing something to stick to your rules and also stick to the time frame. Like, if you're not going to be up at 1 o'clock in the morning trading, then don't count the 1 o'clock in the morning candle as a win when you wouldn't have been up doing it. So that's that. So 2 of the trades I took at 5, which is against my better judgment, I have lost. So that we have that to work with. Gold, still just channeling sideways. We did ask a lot of gold. Like, if we look back over the past for gold is at a high. It's way up there. And then we're like, hey, go higher. I say we, but I really did. But, it might make it. You never know. That's really not it doesn't matter. It's a matter of, for me, it's a matter of quantity of trading, not necessarily all quality. Yes, I have some sort of quality aspect in there when I'm taking the previous candle same direction that I've tested. I've tested that, and there's like a 53% chance that it's going to do it versus the 47% chance it's not going to. Now, that doesn't guarantee it's going to go for the 1-to-1 like I'm going for, or anything above a 1-to-1. As far as the stop loss placement, that is just the idea that a single candle and the next candle pretty much line up at one after another. So it's a small little edge, and all it is a matter of trying to figure out how to capitalize on that small edge. So looking at silver is not doing anything right now. I mean, I guess we're pretty close to the entry point. West Texas oil, sorry. This one did also not go, but I mean, yeah, we'll see. After that long push, you could either expect it to immediately go and continue on, or channel back, pull back, and then go. I'm trying to think if I could see another one where it did. So yeah, over here by the TV, we got that strong bullish candle right there, and then it just channeled up and then continued going. It went sideways for a little bit before continuing. So you could get some sort of placement like that. You never know. And then natural gas, last but not least. Natural gas is slowly, hopefully, going down. Yeah. So yeah, there are the trades for right now. 9 o'clock will roll around. I might be out of one of them. I don't know if I'll record that one, if it's just going to be one trade. But I mean, if you've been following along, you basically understand exactly what I'm going for. So I'm just keeping everything updated so you can see things on the chart. So that way, at the very end of this, you can look back and really like hold my feet to the fire. Oh, this was another one that I took. Okay, sorry, yeah, there's the arrow. There's another one that I took at 5. So if this one wins, then it'll be a 1 out of 3 for my win rate at the 5 o'clock candle, which is something that would be in the back of my head. If this one loses, that's 3 out of 3. That's something that's definitely going to be in the back of my head. It's like, I would have to check to see how often I win 5 o'clock candles. I don't think, outside of this instance, I don't think I took many 5 o'clock candle trades because of the widening of spreads. So there is that. Success in trading, it takes time. It takes effort, it takes patience, and it takes discipline. If you are willing to put in the work, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. I'm not a mentor, I just consider myself a coach. So if you're ready to take your trading to the next level, click the link below to join the Discord, and let's get started. I am not selling anything. I'm just offering my help because I genuinely want to see you succeed. So let's make your trading journey a successful one. So hit the link below, join the Discord, and let's start talking. I look to see you in there.